Hey, what's up? Jixer here. Are you tired of the same old Minecraft PE experience? Want to add a whole new world of possibilities to your gameplay? In this video, I'll show you the steps to install mods or add-ons on your iPhone or iPad, so you can customize your Minecraft PE adventure to your liking. Let's go. The way you customize your Minecraft experience depends on the version you play. The Java edition uses mods to add new content like blocks, items, mobs, and mechanics. And the Bedrock edition, or formerly PE, uses add-ons to achieve similar customization. Add-ons can introduce new features, textures, and gameplay changes. Several websites offer Bedrock edition add-ons, with mcpedl.com being a popular option. Now to download, open your preferred browser on your iPhone or iPad. Visit the website mcpedl.com. Here, go to the three-line menu and click Add-ons. Scroll down. Find an add-on you want to install. Read the information about it and locate the download link below. Click the hyperlink, and if we have the same case like this redirected to another site, follow along. Based on the installation process, I have to download the behavior pack and the resource pack. Just click the necessary buttons. After downloading, go to the Files app on your iPhone or iPad. Navigate to your Downloads folder where the file is saved. Click the file, and it will automatically open Minecraft and start importing. After that, launch Minecraft PE on your device. Tap on Play. Create a new world. And set up the settings. Here, go to Behavior Packs. Select the add-on and activate it for your world. Do the same process with resource packs. Once activated, proceed to create. Once you've installed and activated everything, you can start playing Minecraft with your custom add-ons. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.